This is Crypto World Tonight with Anna Teresa.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Crypto World Tonight. My name is Anne from the Philippines, and so today we are going to talk about Bitcoin. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, again, we still have the left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder, we have the descending trend line, we have the major support. The major support is at 58 and we have the major resistance. So currently we are trading at $65,186.91. Bitcoin is sitting around the neckline. So for the RSI, it's still below 50, still negative. Same thing with MACD, guys. So the monthly momentum is still not bullish. So the long-term bearish pressure hasn't completely disappeared. Okay, so now we are looking at the weekly chart. So it's still the same, guys. So we are moving sideways and we're still seeing this trend line or descending trend line. Are we going to break this resistance, right? We are actually out of the descending trend line. Are we going to close August with a green candle? For the RSI, it's still below 50. For the MACD, it's still negative. But we are actually out of the trend line for the weekly, descending trend line for the weekly chart. Okay, so now let's look at the daily chart. We tried to test this resistance, but there's rejection, pullback, and then recovery, doing the same thing. All right. Looking at the RSI, guys, we are bullish here because we are above 50, and for the MACD, we are no longer negative. Okay, so we are already up 134. Right. So this is looking good. In the long term, a wick above 65,000 area is not enough. We need more volume for Bitcoin. If not, it's okay if we go sideways. We got rejected here, so we might do another retest on the major support. Okay, or maybe at this trend line. Okay, this trend line. Let's see if we are going to do that. For the daily chart, we keep on bouncing at this level. 60 to 62 area level is our next support. Okay, so if we got rejected at 65, we go to 62, down to 60,000. If it's really strong, if the sellers are really strong, then we might go back to the major support, which is at 58,000 area. Okay, so for the daily chart, guys, we are looking great. So let's read an article from Cointelegraph. Australia orders crypto-linked Bitcoin ATMs offline over basic reporting failures. Australia's anti-money laundering watchdog has suspended the operation of crypto-link's Bitcoin ATMs for 3 months, citing ongoing about its compliance with anti-money laundering obligations. Australia has the highest number of crypto ATMs of all countries in the Asia-Pacific region. Australian authorities have been cracking down on the criminal use of crypto ATMs since at least late 2024. Austrac CEO Brendan Thomas said Monday the company's virtual asset service provider registration has been suspended for 3 months starting Sunday, meaning its crypto ATMs will not be allowed to operate during that time. Austrac said CryptoLink failed to meet basic reporting requirements. So let's read from Modular Finance, H100 complete acquisition increasing Bitcoin holdings to 3,506 Bitcoin. H100 Group AB today announces the successful completion of its previously announced acquisitions of NSD, as formerly WR Startup 594 AS, the target company, which upon completion of reorganization represents direct and indirect ownership of all shares in Moonshot AS and PDI AS. Following completion of the transaction, H100 holds 3,506.4 Bitcoin, positioning the company among the largest publicly listed companies with a Bitcoin treasury in Europe. In connection with completion of the acquisition of the target company, the board of directors of H100 has, pursuant to the authorization granted by the annual general meeting held on 23 June 2026 solved on a set-off issue of 790,534,666 new shares to the sellers of the target company. All new shares in the set-off issue have been subscribed for and allotted. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you continue to support me. Please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
This is Crypto World Tonight with Anna Teresa.